Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got MD in the building with a new creation, and this one is called MD 130. And I like that it gives you the information right up front for what we normally look for on a daily basis. And I like the fact that it is also an energy saving watch face to a degree. I'm liking the black background thing, and in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design, the same info as you would when the watch face is on, which I thought was really cool. And also when the watch face is on, you get a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It's a little red arrow, doesn't look bad at all. And up at the top, you're going to get your step status info. Over here, you're going to get your heart rate info. Now, not only do you get your heart rate info, it lets you know whether it's normal, high, and low. I thought that was different for a watch face. And also, you're going to get your step status information right over here so far as your goal completed for the day. And over here, you're going to get your digital time, which is big and bold. I like that. Battery info, animated seconds, your date down at the bottom, surrounded by the days of the week. And as you can see, it's going to be highlighted to let you know what day of the week it is. And for those of you all who like moon phase, you got a moon phase down at the bottom and the center, which I thought was a good look. Now, I like the applications for the shortcuts. You are going to get the important applications that we normally use on a daily basis. You can make a phone call, check your messages, weather, music, which I thought was pretty cool. And you get two places to set shortcuts, right? Your favorite applications that you would like to get to quick, fast is right here at your disposal. I like this look. And if I double tap, I can change the color theme of the digital time, which I thought was pretty cool. You can set it for the same color, or you can mix and match the color of the digital time, which I thought was pretty cool. And if I tap in the middle, you got a few things that you can change this to, which I thought was awesome. Give the watch face a different look. And I thought MD did a good job with this. Not bad at all. All right, you all, you got to hit me in the comment section below. You know, I want to know your thoughts on this one. And if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.